Hey guys, today I have something special for you guys. In this video I'll show you guys a tool to use in order to get a converting keyword for your Google ads or whatever advertisements you want to run online. So this new website is actually called Anyword.com. I'll leave a link below in the description box. What this website does, it helps you to generate converting keywords and tags to use on your campaigns online that are converting. So I'll show you guys all the secrets in this video. Without further ado guys, let's dive right into it. Welcome back guys. So this is the website go.anywords.com. again, a link will be below in the description box. Once you click on the website, this is what you are going to see. To prompt you to sign in, but I assume you don't already have an account, so I'll show you guys step by step how to create an account. Come here and click on create a free account, and to load up another interface whereby it asks you to put your email address. As for me, I'll use Chido original 247@gmail.com. that's my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes. So here I'll put a password that I can remember. So this is the password I want to use for the purpose of this tutorial. So after that, click on sign up. Now they will send you a verification email for you to verify your email. So as you can see, they have sent me a verification email. So this is what they said: verify your account. You have sent a verification email to Chido original 247@gmail.com. again, this is my official email in case you want to contact me. Don't use any other email apart from this. So I'll go back to my email box and I can see Anyword services. So click on it. So here, verify your email. Once I click on it, my email will be verified and my account is created on Anywords.com. So I'll show you guys the next step, how to generate converting keywords to use on your campaigns. This is the new trick that people have been talking about. Once this website does the hard work for you, generating keywords that is converting already, once you use it to run your campaign, let it be Google ads or let it be YouTube campaign adverts, they have already converting. So once you click on it, you have a 7-day free trial after registering. So what is your role? You can select more than one role. So are you an e-commerce shop owner, agency owner, VP marketing, SEO marketing, marketer, whatever you know you want to use this tool for, just check it here. So if you're audience developer, development management, check it here. If you're e-commerce shop owner, check it here. It will help it. If you're a copywriter, check it here. To help this AI or this website to know the best keywords to issue out for you to run your campaigns and all that. So make sure you put everything here. Email marketing, I'll check this. Startup founder, I'll check this. Others, I'll check this. Online business owner, I'll check this. Content marketer, I'll check this. Paid advertisement marketer, I'll check this. So whatever you know you do, you check it here. So after that, click on next. So how many people work in your company? I might say just me, 2 to 10. As for me, click on next. Here, what industry or topic will you use Anywords to write about? So which industry are you using this to write about? So this will help set your AI suggestions and scores. So this will help their AI to know the best suggestions or keywords to give you out there. So enter the industry. As for me, I'll say e-commerce, project interface. You put the project name, you can edit it here, but I'll leave it at first project. Industry or topic is technology and computing. If you have any landing page, you can add it here. After that, click on create project. So my landing page, I can use my YouTube channel as my landing page, right? So anything I want to use, I can easily use it as my landing page. So let me use this for the purpose of this tutorial. But basically, you are meant to use something like your Shopify URL or what. Okay, after adding a landing page, you can see the product name, which is Gmail. I don't encourage you to use this. Use something like Shopify or whatever website you want to market out there, so people can engage with you. So as you can see, it has already done the hard work for you. Gmail is available across all devices. It's telling you everything about Gmail already. So this wonderful tools is a very wonderful research tool, and it's new out there and it's updated. It's making use of all the converting keywords. It's giving you guys what is working latest in 2021. So make use of this new website called Anyword. Again, link is below in the description. Make sure you use the link to register. If you use the link to register, I have a bonus. I have an affiliate program with them, so make sure you use the link below to register. AI is creating your project. So my first project is being created, so I'll show you guys how to use this you can see from this left hand side, you can see Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to do any keyword research, you want to run ads on Facebook or Instagram, this is where you have to go. If you want to generate a headline, this is what you click. If you want to generate primary text, you click on this. So here is headline, here is primary text. So coming down here, this is Google Ads, here is headlines, here is descriptions for Google Ads. Like I told you guys, this is up to date, headlines and description, because Google AdWords make use of headline and description, while Facebook makes use of headlines and primary text. Here is another one. Here is Tobola, it's a social media, and here is another platform there. It only generates headlines if you want to run ads on them. So this one is native ads, headlines and description. Here is LinkedIn, headline and description. Here is Twitter, title and copy. So if you want to run ads on any of these social media handles, here is where you go to generate a converting keyword to use to run your ads. So let me use this Google Ads for instance. So I'll click on headline Google Ads, and mind you, my landing page was on Gmail, so it's generating headlines related to the Gmail. So let me say, for instance, I'll say make money. So it now generates headlines that is connected to how to make money with Gmail. So it will give me headlines that is converting out there. So if I click on generate, it's generating it right now. The headline I can use for my Google Ads. So as you can see, make money with Gmail. It has a score of 83 score. This one is make money with Gmail. It has 81 score. This one is make money online. This one is make money every month. It has 76 score. You can see the headlines I can use for my Google Ads concerning make money online and Gmail, which is my landing page. When I was creating this first project, I told you guys. So any landing page you add here, it will give you the best converting headline keyword for you to use regarding the landing page. I hope that makes sense. So this is to make money with Gmail, and it has the highest score. If I want to run any ad on Google AdWords concerning making money with Gmail, I'll come here and copy this and put it as my headline. So this has a very high converting headline and keyword. So if I come here and click on description, they will show me similar descriptions I can use. And mind you, when running ads with Google Ads, you can use multiple headlines. I can copy all this and use that as my headlines. The list keeps going, and I copy all this and use that as my headlines. If I come down here and click on descriptions, if I come here and click on description and come here and put on make money again, I'll click on generate. To generate various description that I can use for my Google Ads under the description section of Google Ads. So these are some of the description I can use. Make money has never been easier. Make money by writing emails for people. Make money with Gmail. Everything you ever wanted to know about making money with Gmail. So these are some of the description you can see, and they have the highest scores here, 73. This one is 69 rather. This one is 65. This one is 64, and the list goes on. So you can copy all this and use that in your description when running ads on Google Ads. So this tool is up to date. It makes use of the current AIs and whatever is working and whatever is converting regarding all these social media platforms and Google Ads and all these other LinkedIn and social media. The best converting keywords and headlines to use for campaigns. So make use of this wonderful website to start generating keywords and descriptions, as the case may be, or primary text, as the case may be, to make converting campaigns out there. So this does all the hard work. Instead of you to start guessing and putting random description and headlines out there, make use of this to give you the best converting keywords out there in 2021 and beyond to use and make a converting ad campaign for yourself. So as you can see, all the social media handles are covered here, so you can make use of all these. They are all covered. So this is a new tool. Again, the link will be below in the description box below. So make sure you use the link. You have a 7-day free trial once you register. But after that, you can pay, upgrade, and start using it. It's just a free. Let me click on the upgrade upgrade section, so you know how much they charge. They charge $19 per month here, and for the pro version they charge $67 per month. So this is the pro version. They have a difference. You can start with the starter version. You have up to 15,000 watts per month. This one is unlimited, right? So anyone that you can opt in, you can start with this as a beginner, then you can later upgrade to the pro version, so you can start making use of this. All of them are good. As you can see, 19 per month, 67 per month. So you can now upgrade and start making use of these two for life. So this helps you, does all the hard work for you, and you make your return. ROI will still come back for you, because any campaign you run, obviously you want to make money. You are running it for people to patronize you and make use of your services or products or whatever you are offering them out there. So once you use this tool, it will give you the best keywords, converting keywords out there to make use of. And once you use the tool and get sales out there, you are making money for yourself. So your return on investment is actually higher. So you are making a lot of profit at the end of the day. So this is just an investment for your business. So make sure you use the link below, so you get a discount if you use my affiliate link below. Instead of paying $19, you can pay $10 once you use the link below, and this you can pay $50 per month once you use the link below. So make use of the first link below to register, so you pay lesser amount when using Anyword.com. So I have an affiliate program with them. Make use of the link below. And that being said, guys, I will see you guys on my next